Hi guys, so in today's lesson we're going to begin learning 8th note rock. This will give us an opportunity to play some of those quaver notes that we were talking about. So in this tutorial, what I'm going to do for each bar is call out the notes so that you can jot them down. We're then going to clap the notes so we understand the rhythm or the timing of them, and then we're going to try and play them on our guitar. So let's take a look at the first bar. So the first three notes are D notes. So you're going to write D, D, D. And then the last three notes are E, E, E. Okay, the D note that we need to play in this bar is the one found on the 4th string. And the E note is the E note that's on the 4th string. So that's 2nd fret, 4th string. Okay. If we are now going to clap it out, so the first note is a crotchet and it's on beat number 1, so we just call out 1, okay, and we clap that. The next two notes are quavers. You can see that they're joined together by that beam, and these are two notes that are squeezed into beat 2, and we use the word and, as we've already discussed, to clap these out or get the timing correct. So we'll go like this, 2 and. So the first three notes of the first bar go like this, 1, 2 and. Maybe you just want to pause the video and try to clap that, or rewind the video and practice with me. The next note is a crotchet, which is falling on beat 3. So as you know, we just use numbers to count crotchets, so we go 3. And then the last two notes are the notes that are in beat 4, and they're quavers, so we use the word for and to clap those, so we go 4 and. Now to clap all of these notes, it goes like this, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. I'll do that again, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. You might want to pause the video and have a practice at that. I'm now going to play that. I'm now going to count in. I'm going to count to 4 and clap that again, and you might want to try and clap along with me. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. And again, you might want to just rewind the video and practice that a few times. So how the notes go, so we're going to clap and play these notes exactly how we clap them. So it goes 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Do it again, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. So again, practice that bar before we move on to the next bar. So bar number 2, I'll just call out the notes. So the first three notes are F, so it goes F, 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 and then the next note is a G, then the final note is an F. So the F note that you're playing is on the 4th string, so it's the 3rd fret 4th string with this F, and the G that we're playing in this case is the G on the 3rd string. Okay, so if we're going to clap out the notes, the rhythm of the notes, we start off again with a crotchet on beat 1, so we just count that as 1, and then we have 2 quavers in beat 2, so we count those as 2 and. So the first three notes go like this, 1, 2 and. You might want to pause the video and just practice that. Then we have a quaver on beat 3, so we go 3, then a quaver, we have a crotchet on beat 3, a crotchet on beat 3, so we go 3, then a crotchet on beat 4, so we go 4. So bar 2 goes like this, 1, 2 and 3, 4. And I'll just play those notes for you now. 1, 2 and 3, 4. So practice that bar and until you feel comfortable with it. So now moving on to bar number 3, that's the last bar on this line. So I'll call out the notes for you. So we have D, D, D. So the first three notes are a D. Then the last 4 notes are all E notes. Okay, so you get 4 E notes. So calling that out is D, 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 E, 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 E. Okay, just write those out. And now if I was to clap these notes, so the first note is a crotchet, so we just call out as 1. Then the next 2 notes are quavers and they're in beat number 2, so we go 2 and. So the first 3 notes go like this: 1, 2 and. Then you'll see that we have actually 4 quavers joined together with the beam, and they're taking up beats 3 and 4, and it sounds like this: 3 and 4 and. So try to do that just on your own: 3 and 4 and. So if I was to clap out all of this last bar, it goes like this: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll do it again after 4. Try and clap along with me: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I was to play it, okay, and again, just to remind you, the D is on the 4th string and the E is on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, so it goes like this: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, just to finish this up, I'm going to play all of line 1, and you might want to just try and play along. If you can't, don't worry, just play it at your own pace until you feel nice and confident with it. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll just do that without all of the counting. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so have a go at that, and then when you feel confident, you can move on to the next video, and the next video is going to finish this song off.